ready. We are about to enter the harsh world of forestry. These machinery giants not only perform difficult tasks quickly, but also bring pleasant surprises, demonstrating the power and efficiency of modern technology in wood exploitation and processing. Oh my God, my heart. It was as surprising as a blow from nature that no one expected. That car luckily ended up in the wrong place at the wrong time. Wearing a helmet on it will protect your safety. That was the moment, shockingly showing a tree being cut down between two houses. Oh no, the tree fell on the house. Always check the ladder carefully before working at height. Safety comes first.
Starting to move.
He's done. Just looking at that scene is enough to make me shiver. Swinging a saw at such a height is a nightmare. Oh, our plan has failed. I think the guys tried to pull the tree by car. Completely safe. Uprooted trees are safely lowered using ropes and pulleys, cut neatly to avoid falling into barns and barns. Just when you think you understand, nature delivers an unexpected hit. The Cat 522B redefines forestry with panoramic views from the high cab and grandeur air suspension, providing optimal comfort and warm heated seats. Its powerful hydraulic system ensures excellent precision and performance, even after 150,000 hours of operation. At this price, the Cat 522B truly demonstrates the legendary durability of the Cat brand. The fully loaded Logset 6F logging truck was struggling in the mud, seemingly being swallowed up in the harsh conditions. Its 14-ton mass further aggravated the situation as the wheels sank deeper into the soft soil. With a 130Q motor and perseverance, the Logset 6F finally broke free, defeating nature's challenge. Georgia is operating this impressive machine, which looks like a real powerful mule. Don't let the compact size fool you. This machine possesses outstanding power, easily clearing all obstacles in its path. This is probably the most effective mulcher I have ever seen. Bublet's logging eye takes you deep into the jungles, where mighty tiger cat peelers are working tirelessly. Admire the skillful techniques of machine drivers, the smooth coordination between man and machine, and discover the challenges they face to deliver high-quality wooden products. Fog covers the old forest. John stands out in an orange protective suit, standing in front of a giant red pine tree. The chainsaw roared. With each cut, John made the tree tilted gradually. Finally, the pine tree collapsed. The whole forest shook. John looked at the results with sweat pouring down his forehead. Never stand in the direction of a falling tree, and always make sure you have a safe escape route. On June 6, 2018, during a U.S. Forest Service demonstration in California, ASV surprised everyone when the RT-120 forestry compact track loader easily felled trees on steep terrain. More than 30%. Surprisingly, the machine not only worked effectively, but also became an important tool in preventing forest fires. These men were playing a dangerous game of Jenga without safety equipment, relying only on their courage. They were facing the risk of disaster cutting down the tree, and I didn't want to be around when it fell. Even though they haven't experienced any incidents yet, a Darwin Award could be on the horizon. You will be impressed when you see the truck tramping through the snowy slope, bringing winter warmth and joy to distant lands. Oh no! It seems like unloading wood from trucks has never been easier. After a few showers, the log truck couldn't get up the small hill and had to rely on the help of a log trailer. Not only that, Johann Offner Holz Industrie in Wolfsburg, Austria, operates the Profilier Linie FR Starkholz line to cut, plan, and process oak into high-quality natural flooring. The production process takes place continuously, meeting market demand. Advanced drying technology makes the product durable, resistant to warping and termites. In the wilds of northern British Columbia, my dad and I hauled logs together with our trusty LogChamp 550. Dad expertly maneuvered the machine over steep terrain and rocky outcrops, while I guided the crane to secure the logs. The sound of wooden clamps rang out. The machine roared, pulling the wood up the slope, blending into the sounds of labor and success. Wow! The little LKT-81 is doing extraordinary things. With a compact design of 2.5 meters long, It easily weaves through foliage to reach the logs that need to be pulled. When the crane's claws hugged the wood tightly, the engine roared, backed up and suddenly jumped up, pulling the heavy log uphill with a maximum load of up to 1.5 tons, without even flinching, demonstrating the outstanding strength of the crane.